Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today we're going to dive into the world of creating attention-grabbing banner ads. Trust me, this is a game changer for your online marketing efforts. Banner ads are all around us, but making them truly stand out is an art. Here's a comprehensive guide on designing banner ads that demand attention. Keep your banner ad design clean and straightforward. Clutter confuses, so use a clear and concise message. Less really is more in this case. Your images or graphics should be the stars of the show. Opt for high quality visuals that relate to your message and resonate with your target audience. Craft a headline that packs a punch. Think short, snappy, and persuasive. Focus on benefits, not features, and clearly communicate your message. Your call to action is the magic button. Make it crystal clear and action oriented. Phrases like shop now, learn more, or get started work wonders. Banner ads come in various sizes. Experiment with different sizes to find what works best for your audience and platform. Mobile and desktop users may respond differently. Now you've got the tools to design banner ads that won't just blend in. They'll stand out and grab your audience's attention like never before. Remember that mastering this skill takes practice. Don't get discouraged if your initial attempts don't dazzle. Keep refining your designs, analyze your results, and watch your banner ads become attention magnet. Thank you for joining me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to design attention-grabbing banner ads. Can't wait to see you in my next video.